everybody, I'm back for another video. This is the unboxing video of my Cocoa Daisy kit. Just in case you might hear, I do have a ceiling fan going. It's like 100 degrees in Oklahoma right now, and this is how we survive. So let's get right on into the August box. Let's go ahead and take the planner add-on kit and all three of an extra set of all of the washi that comes with the planner kit, the planner add-on kit, and the classified kit. So this month you can see it says Twinkling of the Tea. I love all the bumblebees and the flowers, even though I'm allergic to bumblebees. So that's the planner add-on kit. Ooh, there's a pretty pen. There's a lot of stuff in this kit, and I'm really looking forward to see it all. And I actually do like the fact that they're using the plastic bags. At first I wasn't sure. I loved the cloth bags because I use them to store, you know, colored pencils and craft supplies and put a traveler's notebook in. But these are really nice because it makes it look really pretty when you're unboxing. So first things first, here is a beautiful floral paper clip. That's quite thick. And here's my Foxy Fix in the spice. Let's just kind of see what that would look like sticking out of the top. I don't think that'll fit in my pocket very well. It's very cute. Very cute though. Very cute. So there's the paper clip that looks like one of the flowers. Very cute. There's a little stamp in here. It says bee, buzzy. There's a little bee and some flowers. Very cute. These are the Post-its. They are a beautiful floral, and see, lots of Post-its. I've never gone through a single pad of Post-its in a month. Here's the pad of paper. There's a little cup of tea and a little, is that a daisy? And some bumblebees. And again, look at all that paper. I've never gone through a single one of these. At the most, I've gone through about half of one. So you'll always have extras for future months. What's in here? Oh, there's a charm. Oh, look at that. How cute. It's just a simple little daisy on a lobster claw, and it's a beautiful gold. Very pretty. We'll set that there. Now, here are the little die cuts. Like usual, there's 6 of the tabs, some stackable teacups, which are very cute. I think one of the printables has that, but larger, so you can make a bookmark out of it. And then some other cute little teacups and tea bags and florals. Very cute. And what's in here? Oh, these are the papers. And the stickers. Now if you use an A5, that's like A5 size. So you could just put a tab on here if you use a ring binder, an A5. Ooh, very pretty. I love that kind of leaf design. The watercolor splotches are really cute too. That's cute, the teacup. Ooh, and the black and white polka dots looks really nice. So those are the papers that come this month. And of course, here are the stickers. Ooh, upside down. These are the tabs. For the tabs, we're going to mark off sections. Here are your days of the week, numbers, and, you know, planning ones. And here are your decorative stickers. Very, very cute. My vacation was in June, so let's see. Oh, and there's one other thing before I take a look at those. There is a pencil pouch this month. And where's here it is. It looks to be of a white cloth. It has a pretty like gold tassel. It's like white cloth, and it has this like gold halo sort of honeycomb look to it. Oh, it didn't open all the way. There. And in the inside it's just white. Very cute, very cute. I'd probably take the tassel off. And here's the washi tape. Beautiful floral. Now, here are the A5s unpunched. I'm using the A5 this month in a slightly different system, and I wanted to try it out. Look how pretty. So those are the week. Now here is the week on 2 pages. Very pretty. So you got 5 weeks of those. And then here is the month, Sunday start. For future planning. And then here's, some more of those. And yeah, this is what I'm going to show you. It is the daily to-do, so you have a day basically on 2 pages. Very cute. I love those little hydrate down there, how they're those cute little teacups. So, yes, expect a video so I can show you how I've been using them this month. It's only been like 13 days. So, very cute. So that is the actual planner kit. So you got lots of stuff. Now, as I move things aside, I will show you, get that out of the way too, what is in the planner add-on kit this month. Okay, now here we are for the planner add-on kit. I've been kind of mixing up my I've been, messing with my subscriptions and trying different things the last few months, and there's some really cute stuff in here. So the first thing I wanted to show you is this beautiful pen that has some of the floral artwork on it. And it says Cocoa Daisy there. I'm not sure if you can see that. I'll see if I can zoom in. Oh, I still have some ink on me. I was doing some arting earlier. There is this adorable bumblebee felt clip. Very cute. And then here is one that is rubber, and it's like one of the teacups with the flower in it. Actually, it's that teacup, see? Just the handles go in the different direction. Oh. This has what looks like to be a bunch of little die-cut bumblebees in it. Very cute, so you can put them all over your planner or memory-keeping places. This has some more die cuts in it. And here's what one of the washi tapes looks like. There should be more stickers in here. I just really love that teacup. I wonder who did the artwork this month. That's beautiful. So there's that card. Sometimes the questions are complicated and the answers are simple. Very cute. I love the stacking teacups. I think that is a printable, and I think I'm going to make a bookmark out of it. So those are your little decorative ones. There's that teacup again. Your alphabets and your numbers. Some functional stickers and some cute little words. And let's see what this says. Let me explain what makes you think I ate the cake. Well, I had a little okay, that's a long poem from Ladybird Johnson. Very, very, very cute. So that is what I got in my Cocoa Daisy box this month. Oh, here. Oops, I ripped the sticker. So I've got 2 of those. It's very similar to one we had in March of last year. Here's this beautiful vine with floral. And then there's a black and white polka dot, which will go really nicely with all of that. Okay, so that is what I got in my Cocoa Daisy kit. I will link Cocoa Daisy down below so you can find out more about all of these wonderful things. I don't know if they have any kits left because they did some photos that they posted online of little links or sneak peeks of some of these things, and I know a lot of people, you know, were really interested in this month's designs. They are really quite cute. So I will link them. Dropping my stickers, my pretty stickers. I will link Cocoa Daisy down below, and if you have any questions, leave a comment or a question, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Okay? Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.